Okay, guys, I'm kind of mad right now. I have the brand new Ps4. Ps4. That's right, Ps4. Guess what? No signal. Okay. It's on top of my radio, so it's kind of hard for me. See, it's on. It's on, right? Yeah. Okay. And then we go back here. Oh, I got this HDMI cable. It's not the one that came in the box, because the one that came in the box, I've tried that. It doesn't work. So, I went and bought a new one, and it still doesn't work. And let me show you. Let me just follow this cord. Hold on. And then that's the power. It just goes back. See? See? And this cord right here is the power cord. So we just follow it. And waboom. It's in there. Now, you seen before, no signal. No signal. And as you can see, it's white, not blue, so I'm kind of confused. Because there has been a rumor going around that the oh, by the way, I meant that to go pitch black. I'm doing something right now. I'm gonna show you all what I bought for the Ps4, and then I come home one day and it does not work. I bought Madden 25, Battlefield 4, Call of Duty Ghost, and PlayStation Plus. 3 months. 17. Oh, come on, focus camera. $17.99. Oh, and let me see. I'm turning the lights so y'all can see that I'm not trying to mess with y'all. So, where is it? Come on, focus. Y'all see the 3? The 3, right? Yeah. Y'all see it? Here's my cord. And let me see. It's hdmi 3. And it's still on. So, yeah. Lucky me. And guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you later, guys.